Okay, dear cadets, good morning. Again, I am here to make the second video of today's, means for the sake of tomorrow's, isn't it? So, we are in the chemical property of amines. So, just see how many chemical property of amines I have completed. The first one is reaction with water, I have completed. Then reaction with acids, okay, reaction with acids. Then third one, what I taught, basic nature of different category of amines, comparison of basic strength of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines, comparison of basic strength of unsubstituted amines, means with aniline, comparison of basic strength of aryl alkyl amines with ammonia, and some other things, and final order also I wrote. So in this way the theoretical aspects is completely completed. Now let us move toward the another chemical property of amines. So three chemical property we have already discussed. Now this is the fourth one, that is alkylation, and this reaction you have studied in case of alkyl halide aryl halide chapter. Alkylation means chemical property of amines. So alkylation means inserting alkyl group. What is the meaning of this one? Inserting alkyl R group. Inserting alkyl group in amines by substituting their hydrogen. Okay. Or you can write introduction of R group in amines by substituting hydrogen. Okay. Now acylating agent, which group is known as alkyl group furnisher or as alkyl group supplier? The best alkyl group supplier is alkyl halide. Okay. So we can say alkylating agent. Alkylating agent, what are they? They are alkylating agent. Okay. So alkylating agent is alkyl halide. Rx, they supply alkyl group, that is why they are known as alkylating agent. See how? Okay, just see. Now this reaction already you have completed. Just see. Take one C2H5NH2. Okay, NH2. This is 1 degree amines or not? Their reaction with CH3Cl. So just see here. Now 1 H of this one will be replaced. Now just see C2H5NH, here CH3 minus HCl. One alkyl group is replaced here, means one alkyl group has been added here by substituting the hydrogen of NH2 group. Now still replaceable hydrogen is there. So now further their reaction with CH3Cl. Then what would be there? Another CH3 group will be attached here by replacing HCl. Minus right here HCl. Here what is there? C2H5N. Here what is there? CH3. And here CH3. Now still lone pair of electron is there. Now it can react with further. What is that one? CH3Cl. Now this time what would be there? C2H5, here N. Already 2 CH3 were added here. Fourth one will be added here, CH3. Now this reaction is because of the lone pair of electron. That is why here positive sign and Cl negative. This is quaternary ammonium salt. If you are having any problem, you can take here CH3 also, no problem. Everywhere for uniformity, CH3. Here also CH3. Okay. So what is the name of this one? Tetramethyl ammonium chloride. This is quaternary ammonium salt. So this is an example of alkylation or not? This is an example of alkylation. And what you are getting? Just see. You started with 1 degree amine. You are getting 2 degree amine. You are getting 3 degree amines. And you are getting quaternary ammonium salt. So when you are getting this one? When alkyl halide react with 1 degree amines. So this will come under the chemical property of amines. Don't think that only aliphatic amines are giving this reaction. Aromatic amines also give this reaction, and you know this reaction. Just now we have completed. Just see. This is aniline. This is aniline. NH2. Okay. Now reaction with CH3Cl. So now this time, now in the nucleus of benzene ring, no reaction would be there. Reaction would be here in NH2 group only. So what would be the next product? Another product would be here NHCH3. Okay. Still one replaceable hydrogen is there. So their reaction with CH3Cl. So what is the next product here? The next product is here NH. No H here. Now CH3. Here also CH3 and lone pair of electron. What is this one? Lone pair of electron. Correct? Got this one or not? So this is N-methyl. N-methyl, because it has been added with replacement of H of N. So N-methyl aniline. What is this one? N-dimethyl aniline. This is also an example of alkylation. Okay. So this is all about the alkylation. Next one is acylation. So just like acylation, just like alkylation, acylation is also there. Okay, just see the chemical properties of amines. Okay, so we are in the chemical property of amines. Now after alkylation, what is there? Acylation. What is the meaning of acylation? Just like inserting alkyl group is called alkylation, here introduction or inserting RCO group in amines by substituting their hydrogen is known as acylation. Introduction of CH3CO group is known as acetylation. Okay, individual means R is there, means that is the common group, alkyl group, that is acylation. But if individually you take CH3, so this is known as acetylation. Okay, what are the acetylating agent? What are the groups which furnishes RCO group or CH3CO group? These are this one ethanol chloride, or this is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride and acetic anhydride. These are basically called acylating agent because they furnish the CH3CO group or RCO group. Okay. Always remember, this reaction takes place in presence of base stronger than amines like pyridine, because during the course of these reaction, means when 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines react with these means acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, one of the product would be HCl, and this reaction is an example of equilibrium reaction. So in the product side HCl will form, and HCl is the acid. So when this reaction takes place in presence of base like pyridine, so pyridine will react with HCl and it will remove from the product side, hence equilibrium will be shifted in forward direction. That is why reaction must be taken place in presence of base like pyridine. Okay, pyridine is a stronger base than amines. Okay, these reactions are example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, means reaction of amines with the acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, they are an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So in nucleophilic substitution reaction, one should be nucleophile, other should be electrophilic center. Here I wrote electrophile, you write here electrophilic center, or electrophile, that is also correct, no problem at all. Are electrophile. Okay, so just try to understand here amines may be aliphatic or aromatic. Their nitrogen has got the lone pair of electron, that is why they are nucleophile. And here what is there? Let it be acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. C carbonyl group is there, C double bond O, and you know the carbonyl group is a polar group. So the carbon of carbonyl group that will serve as a electrophilic center. electrophilic center are electrophile. So here CH3CO electrophile will be generated. Here also CH3CO electrophile will be generated. Okay. That is why they are the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Remember, now this question has come in pre-board first. Tertiary amine does not undergo acylation reaction. Why? Because just see, in acylation reaction what should be there? The hydrogen bonded with nitrogen, that should be substituted. That should be substituted by acylating group, RCO group. In tertiary amine, what is there? Bonded hydrogen is not there. Bonded hydrogen is not there with the nitrogen of tertiary amines. That is why they do not undergo acylation reaction, or they does not undergo acylation reaction. Okay. One more thing is there. Why is tertiary amines not react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride? Answer is same only. This is only. Since reaction of acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, reaction of acetic anhydride and acetyl chloride with amines is an example of substitution reaction. How substitution? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Because hydrogen of amines must be substituted by CH3CO group of acetyl chloride or CH3CO group of acetic anhydride. Since hydrogen is not present with N of tertiary amine, that is why they do not undergo very easily. Just like acylation, there is one more reaction that is known as benzoylation. What is that one? Benzoylation. Benzoylation means, acylation means inserting RCO group. Benzoylation means inserting C6H5CO group in aliphatic or aromatic amines by replacing their H, by replacing the hydrogen of NH2 group. Hydrogen of NH2 group is known as benzoylation. Means here what should be there? With benzoyl chloride, aliphatic or aromatic amine should react. Okay. Now what are the benzoylating agent? Now somebody should be there which can furnish the C6H5CO group. So who will furnish? Benzoyl chloride. C6H5CO. This C6H5CO, that group is known as benzoylate group, and this only will act as a electrophilic center or electrophile. So benzoyl chloride is benzoylating agent. One more difference is there between acylation and benzoylation. Acylation takes place in presence of pyridine, but benzoylation takes place in presence of aqueous NaOH. Remember, means when benzoyl chloride react with aniline or when benzoyl chloride react with aliphatic amines, that time what should be there? Reaction should be taken place in presence of aqueous NaOH. Okay. So now these were the theoretical aspect of acylation and benzoylation reaction. Now reaction I will teach. Okay, just see. Now chemical reaction. Theoretical aspect is over. Okay, acylation. So this is C2H5NH2. Correct? Okay. This is 1 degree amines. 1 degree amine. Okay. Their reaction with ClC double bond OCH3. Setting is required. Why I am writing this like this? Because H of this one, this NH2 can be written like that, NHH. So this HCl will come out. Okay. Now this should be taken place in presence of pyridine. Okay. Now this is nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack on electrophilic center, that is carbonyl carbon is electrophilic center, because this electron will be shifted toward this side. So here electron deficiency would be there. Now what is the product now here? Now write down here C2H5, here NH. Now what is left now? C double bond O and CH3. Okay. Now just see, be very careful while writing the name. Okay, with N, which group is added here? C2H5. So what is the name of this one? N-ethyl. N-ethyl. One more thing is there here, plus one more product would be there, HCl. What is the name of this compound? N-ethyl. Why N? Because C2H5 group is bonded with NH2 group. Okay, means by replacing the H of NH2 group. So N-ethyl. Now what is the name of this one? 1, 2 means ethanamide. N-ethyl ethanamide. N-ethyl ethanamide. Actually this is, what is this one? CH3COONH2. Correct or not? What is this one? Ethanamide. This is amide. If anyone is replacing its one H and getting added here, C2H5. So what would be the name of this one? N-ethyl ethanamide. N-ethyl ethanamide. Okay, so same compound is here. Only the thing is, it is written ulta, reverse. Okay, this group is this side, but let it be ulta or seedha, that doesn't matter. The group which is bonded with NH, that should be named by adding word N. Okay, so just see, C2H5 is bonded here, N-ethyl ethanamide, correct? And HCl, this is acid, so this should be replaced by pyridine, because pyridine is base. What is this one? Base. And this base will neutralize the HCl. Okay, this is 1 degree amine. Next one is C2H5 N and here H and here C2H5. What is this one? This is 2 degree amine. What is this one? 2 degree amine. Same way reaction should be there. You can take this time, if you want to take CH3COCl, that doesn't matter. You can take acetic anhydride also, no problem at all. Anyone you can take. Just see, Cl, here what is there? C double bond O. Now here what is there? CH3. So this is HCl. And here what is there? Same thing, pyridine. This is base. What is this one? Base. Now what is the product here? C2H5N. Okay, C2H5N. Here also C2H5. And here what is there? C double bond O CH3. So what is the name of this one? Plus here HCl. N and dash. With N, 2 alkyl group is there. N and dash diethyl ethanamide. N and dash diethyl ethanamide. No problem at all. Yes. Now if you want to take acetic anhydride, then also the same way reaction would be taken place. Only in place of HCl, CH3COOH group will be evolved. Just see. If you want to take, you can take. Just see. This is CH3. Okay, CH3CO, here C, here double bond O, and here CH3. So that much will be removed, and here what will be the product? Here CH3COOH. That would be the only change. Now same way here also, CH3CO, here write O, here write C, here double bond O, here CH3. So C, here what would be there? Now HCl won't be there. Now this would be there here also, plus CH3COOH. Same way reaction would be carried out. Correct? Means in both the cases, let it be acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, H of nitrogen should be substituted. Okay, N and dash diethyl ethanamide. Now tertiary amines will not react due to non-availability of hydrogen atom. Okay, now what about aniline? Aniline will also react in the same way. Just see, what is the formula of aniline? C6H5NH and H. Okay, now reaction with, now let us take this time acetic anhydride only. O, here C double bond O, and here what is there? CH3. So here what is this one? This and this. Correct? Now here what is the product here? The product is here C6H5, C6H5. Here what is there? NH, and here what is there? C double bond O, CH3. Correct? Yes, you can check. Plus here what would be there? CH3, C double OH. Okay. Now what is the name of this one? Now just see. Be very careful. Now with NH, which group is bonded? Phenyl group. So what is this one? N-phenyl. N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. Yes, finished. Only 3 reaction has been 1, 2, 3. 3 reaction they have given in NCERT book. N-phenyl ethanamide. This is also known as acetanilide. Acetanilide. This is common name. Okay. This is IUPAC name. Okay. So this is all about the acylation. Why acylation? Just see. In all the cases, CH3CO group is introduced to this compound. Here this is aniline. Okay. Aniline introduced to this compound by replacing their H. Okay. That is why this is known as acylation. Now one more example is there, that is benzoylation. That should also be taught. So in case of benzoylation, what would be there? Reaction of C6H5COCl with aliphatic and aromatic amines. Okay, so just let me wipe them out. Okay, just see the benzoylation. In benzoylation, what would be there? Just see. With benzoyl chloride, you can take here CH3NH2. So instead of writing NH2, write NHH. Okay, plus Cl C6H5. Okay, C6H5. You can take in this form also. Just see. This is benzene ring. Here what would be there? C6H5. This is, sorry. Now here write Cl. So this is benzene ring only. Don't write this side. This is Cl. This is benzoyl chloride. Okay. Now only one difference is there. Here aqueous and AOH would be there. So now here H, here Cl. So what is the product here? CH3NH. And here what would be there? C6H5. C6H5. Now what is the name of this one? N-methyl. With N group, methyl group is attached. With N-methyl. So N-methyl. N-methyl. What is this one? Benzamide. Benzamide. Okay or not? This is C6H5C double bond ONH2. This is benzamide or not? If someone is replacing its hydrogen and getting attached here, so what is the name of this one? This is N-methyl benzamide. That is only written here. Only it is written in reverse manner. Okay, reverse order. Methyl benzamide. Okay. This is with the methyl amine. This is aliphatic amine, methyl amine. The same way, suppose you are taking here ethyl amine. So here C2H5. Yes, here also it would be C2H5. So here what would be there? Ethyl benzamide. N-ethyl benzamide. Correct or not? N-ethyl benzamide. Okay. Now reaction with, now introduction of C6H5CO group is there. That is why this is an example of benzoylation reaction. You can take here aniline also. C6H5 and H and H. Here what is there? Plus Cl. C, this one. C6H5. Here again what would be there? Aqueous. NaOH. Okay, just setting is required here. So now here H and here Cl. What is the product here? C6H5, and here what is there? NH, C double bond O, C6H5. What is the product here? Just see, N-phenyl, N-phenyl, with N-phenyl group is there, N-phenyl benzamide, N-phenyl benzamide. Yes, just like acetinylide, this is benjanylide. Okay, this is there. So reaction of amines with the acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride, benzoyl chloride, that is over. And this is an example of benzoylation reaction, which just now we have finished. Okay, so in this way this reaction is also over. Now tomorrow onwards will teach you the carbyl amine reaction with the nitrous acid, and reaction with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is Hinsberg reagent. So I require near about 2 to 3 period to complete this chapter, means not chapter, this unit. Okay, so I am hoping that today you will complete all those things by seeing the complete video. Okay, and since today there is a turn of 2 videos, that is why I am curtailing the second video timing. Already you have got the 43-minute video, and this is near about 27-minute video. So please see and complete it. Thank you.